masaya pag-ipunan tong pabango na to.
Ooh.
What is up mga mahihilig sa mga this is your boy Armin and this is my co-host.
Oh, the Terrence.
Sobrang ganda ng datingan mo today, Boss Terence, very bagets ah. Para kang 19 years old ah. Welcome back dito sa Amoy Piranyan. For today's episode, we are so excited. Sabi namin, pagbibigyan namin tong pabango na to and we will mature it and see for ourselves, is it really worth it tong nirelease nilang Vanguard ng Maison Asrar? Is it a good dupe nito or hindi? Pag-uusapan natin ngayon yan. Ikaw muna tatanungin ko, Boss Terence, what's your experience? Bakit tayo napunta na dito sa Take 3 na to? And later, you can ask me as well.
Guys, alam mo, kung hindi ako nagkakamali,
Yeah.
Armin, parang umabot rin tayo ng mga 15 or 20 minutes to review this last
Oo,
time.
tagal nun.
Pero alam mo, looking back, parang wala talaga, paikot-ikot lang yung sinasabi namin. Tapos na-realize namin, parang yung mukha namin,
We were not satisfied.
we can't
Hindi kami
lie
masaya.
eh.
Oo.
Parang wala kaming masabing, basically hindi kami na-impress.
Yes.
Oo. So, syempre, coming from the Royal Collection line, actually, medyo, yun nga, controversial tong take namin dito.
Yeah.
Based sa experiences namin. More often than not, ang initial reactions namin straight out of the bottle, underwhelming siya eh. So, ayaw rin namin sa totoo lang na i-rush yung paglabas ng content na yun. And we give misleading, information or insights.
Yes.
And baka maraming ma-turn off. Eh sabi ni Armin sa akin, Boss Terence, na lang, i-rest natin, tapos bisitahin na lang ulit natin.
That's correct.
So, here we are, take 3 or take 4.
Yeah.
Finally,
We're going to give it a justice na this time about this Vanguard from the brand of Maison Asrar.
because to be fair, nag-develop yung amoy niya.
Yes. Even si Boss Terence nagulat din. Sabi niya,
Yes.
oh, really?
Yes.
Grabe ha? Pagbibigyan, let's give it a chance. Okay? So, ano ba ang naaamoy mo sa Creed Aventus Absolu and what makes it different sa nose mo, sa skin mo?
Okay, ganito.
Itong pabango na to.
Itong OG, for me, I have to be very honest eh. I'm not a fan of the Aventus Absolute DNA. Why? Although, ang gusto ko lang naman yata sa kanya doon is yung pagka-pineapple eh. That's
Yeah.
it. Pero, because of the Dior Sauvage DNA,
Yes?
hindi ko siya gusto eh.
Ah,
Because I'm not a fan of Dior Sauvage.
okay.
Kaya nga, nasabi namin sa previous video pero hindi namin nailabas.
Yes.
Pero, ang claim ko talaga ever since is, mas bias nga ako sa Supremacy Collector's Edition over the OG.
Yes.
I find it mas wearable, mas pleasing sa ilong, and mas youthful yung atake niya.
Yeah.
Ngayon,
And must beast mode.
yes, although medyo nag-veer away na siya sa original DNA.
Yes.
Yan, then lumabas yung Preshu ni
Presyo,
Armaf.
Arma, Club de
Pero, honestly, ang hirap kasi nung proposition niya, 50 ml, it's being sold for what? Parang presyong Swiss Arabian.
Yun nga, mahal nga yun. Almost mga 4-5K na pumapasok
Don't
eh.
get us wrong.
Pumapatak eh.
Back then, I think that perfume was the closest. Kung talagang sasabihin mo na anong mas kamukha ni OG, yung Armaf talaga.
Yes.
Pero, for ako, ito opinion ko for something na I don't see myself wearing very often,
Yeah.
parang ang hirap ng proposition na I have to pay 3 to 4K to get a 50 ml bottle. So, fast forward, biglang lumabas si Maison Asrar nito.
Yeah. Nagulat din ako.
So, sabi na, may mixed reviews kaming natanggap, pero anyway, we're gonna judge it based sa experience namin.
Yeah.
Actually, there was a time na gusto ko na talaga ibenta to. Actually, sinabi ko, Armin, tulong mo ko, benta na lang
Benta na lang
to."
lang niya.
Tapos, sabi niya, alam mo, Sir Terence, Maison Asrar yan. Royal Collection yan eh. Amuin ulit natin. Kasi
Yeah.
talagang tinabi ko na siya.
Yeah.
Tapos, lo and behold,
Parang sinukuan mo na talaga,
sumuko
no?
na ako.
Oo.
Nung spin rain namin, ayun na, magic. So guys, magalit na kayo kung magalit. I think the maturation process is a valid proposition. Lalong-lalo na dito sa
Mason Asrar
Mason
Collection.
Sa
Oo.
Royal Collection.
You need to take your time talaga. Paabain mo yung pasensya dyan.
Siguro, Armin, i-describe mo na lang muna
Sure.
anong amoy ng OG.
No problem. Actually, yung amoy ng OG, if initial blast pa lang, etong 75 ml version, actually initial blast pa lang, I would say yes, the DNA of Aventus is here, but hindi siya parang original creation eh. It's like they took their inspiration, yung sinabi mong Sauvage DNA, it's like pinagsama yung Sauvage at pinagsama yung Drakkar Noir, it's equal to Sauvage Elixir. Now, dito naman sa Aventus Absolute na to, it's like Sauvage Elixir meets Aventus.
Na tinanggal mo yung Smoky Birch.
Exactly. But dito sa composition niya, nandun yung DNA ng parang may maamoy ka parang aquatic feel, may very smoky ambergris, salty ambergris, may leather, may maaamoy kang spices, leather, oak moss, sweetness ng tonka bean vanilla sa dry down, it's very present. And the dominant note, which is the pineapple, it's very present in here. And may maamoy kang parang spicy licorice lavender combination, very present din dito. While dito naman, sa Mason Asrar Vanguard, it's like, this is like parang pinino niya, tinanggal niya yung mga parang, ano tawag yung mga dumi-dumi ng Aventus Absolute. And also at the same time, if you really love Supremacy Collector's Edition, you remove the
Parang BR540 na aspect.
na vibe
niya. Oo.
and mas ipino mo pa and mas parang para na siyang very crisp, clean water yung datingan ng Aventus Absolute DNA niya.
Okay. Gets. Ang sinasabi ni Armin kanina, kasi we're trying to compare it sa SCE nga.
Yes.
Oo. Actually, it reminded us of SCE.
Yes.
It's just that sa mga familiar sa SCE na matamis talaga siya
Yeah.
and very thick siya.
Very
What-
loud.
What Armin is trying to say, this is a more transparent version ng SEC.
Yes.
With the-
SCE. Oo.
with muted yung sweetness.
Yes.
Oo. Pero, kaya ako ngayon, mas gusto ko naman to versus sa OG.
Mm.
Kasi ako, na-overwhelm ako dito sa salty ambergris niya.
May animalic touch kasi to eh.
Yeah, kaya
Na hindi siya pangmasa eh.
dirty siya ng dirty.
Oo
Kasi,
nga eh.
guys, ano ba? Paano? Medyo animalic eh. Ang hirap i-describe, pero sige, para ma-picture nyo, sabi ko kay Armin there's nothing wrong with that, pero parang mas brusko ito eh. Kumbaga ito parang mukhang action star eh.
Sinong
Parang-
action star?
Sabi ko nga sa kanya, parang this reminds me of parang si Jason Momoa o Balbas Sarano. Pero iba yung appeal eh.
Oo.
Macho, siga, alam mo
Yes.
yun, brusko. Alam mo, kahit pawis siya, marumi siya, pero
Yes.
alam mo yun, parang screams masculinity.
Oo.
This is exactly it eh. Pero ito, yun nga, sabi ni Armin na smoothen out niya, tinone down niya yung salty ambergris, yung oak moss niya, yung parang, ang oak moss kasi parang amoy minsan, amoy lupa.
Lupa,
ganon.
oo.
Minute down niya yun eh.
Oo.
So parang, mas sa akin dito, mas nag-emphasize yung fruitiness niya.
Ng pineapple.
So kung ito
and
si
the other citruses.
Jason Momoa, ito siguro parang K-pop star. Yung parang medyo mas
Jungkook.
soft. Oo, mas soft yung ano niya.
Yeah.
So for me, this is wearable.
Yeah.
Mas wearable siya. And actually, mas gusto ko to.
Actually,
Over the OG.
I prefer this one then as well. And I prefer this one than Supremacy Not Only Intense and Supremacy Collector's Edition or Arm of Club DNA Presyo and mga other Aventus Absolute dupes out there. Ito na yung yata sa tingin ko for me ha. It's a very well-balanced Aventus Absolute na makukuha mo sa market as of now. Period. Okay? I didn't get more happier than this sa itong pabango na to. Pero yung una, hindi talaga ako happy nun sa umpisa.
Me too.
Oo.
Bibenta ko na nga.
Sabi natin na we take our time hanggang we appreciate it. So, let's talk about the standalone and how close this is sa dupe niya.
As a dupe, sige, let's jump to the rating. As a dupe, I would say, I'll give it an 8 out of 10.
Okay.
Kung percentage, I would say mga 85%.
85%. Okay. For me, it's like mga 90% closer siya dito sa Aventus Absolute. It's a good dupe in my opinion.
But the guys, definitely, mas malapit ito versus sa SCE. Kung
Yes.
gusto mo palapitan talaga ng amoy sa OG.
Yes,
Ang
exactly.
SCE may sariling twist na yun.
Yeah.
Okay. Ngayon, may mention na naman. How about si Armaf Preshu, di ba?
Arm of Club doon i-presyo,
Oh, yung guys, kasi yun sa totoo lang, medyo sinantabi ko na yun eh. Kasi opinion ko lang to kung closeness lang, okay, we can debate kung anong mas close doon dito sa OG.
Yeah.
Pero guys, for the fraction of the price of Armaf per shoe and you're getting 100 ml,
Yeah.
parang isa-snub ko na talaga yun.
Mga 2K to 2.5 lang ang presyo nito eh. Or mga
Yes.
naglalaro 2K to 2.5 to 3K-ish eh.
Kumbaga, ang-
Huwag nang lalagpas more than 3K.
Ang hirap i-justify eh. You pay 50% more
Mhm.
and you get 50% less. It
Yun
doesn't
nga eh.
make sense eh. Sa akin
Sobrang magulo din eh. Minsan maguguluhan ka na talaga. Which one yung talagang bibiling ko? Pero for me, itong Mason Asrar na to, don't sleep on this dupe when it comes to kung ano yung dinudupe niya, which is Aventus Absolute. I think it's such a good release. And for me, highly recommend try nyo tong pabango na to. It's like talagang nilinis siya talaga eh. Yung parang let's say pupunta ka sa exam, board exam. Let's say bumagsak ka na sa board exam mo. Sa pangalawang board exam mo, kailangan mo nang talagang i-learn from your experience na hindi mo na mauulit yun sa next board exam mo kung mag-e-exam ka para pumasa ka. Etong si Vanguard talagang inayos niya lahat na para mag-release siya ng something like this. Hindi sila siguro mag-release. They took their time. Hinintay muna nila mag-release yung mga ibang brands.
guys, feeling ko, ang takeaway talaga nito, lalong-lalo na sa Maison Asraw, or paulit-ulit kami, Royal Collection. No?
Oo.
Guys, kailangan nyo talaga paupuin.
Yeah.
I think hindi na nga siya optional eh. Kailangan nyo talaga itabi muna. Sprayan nyo ng konti, tabi nyo, paupuin nyo, 1-2 months. Ako na magsasabi sa inyo, 4th bottle ko na sa Royal Collection and it's always the same experience. Underwhelming sa simula, nung hindi ko na pinansin, nung binalikan ko, doon lumalabas yung true potential niya.
Oo. And yeah, this is a very highly recommended sa mga anong klaseng okasyon or anong weather nila tong pwede masuot.
I think, alam mo, ganito yan eh. Ang SCE inaubuso sa Pilipinas
Yun
eh.
nga pang summer binabanatan talaga.
Sa
Nag-overspray
school,
pa nga
Sa office. Actually, even formal events eh. So for me, actually parang versatile siya.
Versatile siya at hindi rin siya sobrang screaming
Hindi,
katulad
hindi.
nung pabangon ng katulad ng Supreme
Yes,
Secret.
yes,
It
yes.
will give you a headache minsan
Yes,
if you
yes.
overspray it. Ito kahit mag-overspray ka, walang problema doon.
Yes, yes.
And for the longevity,
Well, not bad.
yeah, it's a good longevity. Mga 6 to 7 hours, good longevity. I think if you overspray it, mag-spray na lang kayo sa damit nyo para tatagal pa siya. Siyempre, hindi naman to masyadong expectation. Actually, dito na din pumapasok, Boss Dennis, na it's not always ang base mode, mga scents always winner. Sometimes you need to appreciate mo yung composition, yung scent profile niya mismo. Hindi yung you will go after the projection, longevity, CH. Sometimes, talagang kailangan mo ma-appreciate from top to dry down. Ano ba to? Panalo ba siya? Pasok ba siya sa taste mo? Do you like it ba? Pasok ba siya dun sa character mo pag susuotin mo siya wherever you go? It's a scent that everyone ticks all the boxes except the projection and the sillage and the longevity. It's a scent for those na mas pleasing, mga maski hindi mga mahilig sa pabango. I think it's easy to appreciate itong pabango na to. Now, let's go on the ratings. What would you give ratings for Vanguard?
Vanguard, I'll give it, unang-una, ang hirap magbigay ng rating because I'm not really a fan of this DNA.
Oo.
Pero sige, to be fair, I think this is a good fragrance. I'll give it 8.9 out of 10.
8.9 out of 10. For me, actually, mas nagustuhan ko to sa dami-daming Aventus Absolute Dupe. For me, I would give it 9.5 out of 10. Siguro kung yung projection niya medyo nilakasan nila, binigay nila ng lakas, magiging perfect na
Or
siya for
ganito
me.
na lang, guys. Ibang perspective lalong-lalo na sa mga hanggang ngayon, SCE pa rin ng SCE. CE yung hinahanap nyo.
Oo.
Unang-una, ang hirap makahanap nun. Kung makahanap kayo,
Mahal
I
pa.
doubt na may mahanap kayo na mura.
Oo.
I think mas mahal talaga siya.
Yes.
Generally speaking. You might want to consider this.
Please.
Because guys,
Please do.
nakadalawang bote na ako ng SCE and talagang 2 beses ko na rin siyang inayawan. Sa simula, yes, mabango, malakas,
Oo.
it projects. Pero again, yun yung lagi kong sinasabi. The more I wear it, the more I realize na the compliments na nakukuha ko, I get penalized while using it kasi nga medyo headache-inducing
Oo.
siya. So, you might want to explore this. Just because it's cheaper doesn't mean that it's lower quality.
Yes.
Pero yun nga, it's a more transparent take. It's a more mas easier to wear.
Yes.
But it doesn't compromise on quality.
Exactly.
And yun nga, it doesn't actually mas malapit pa to sa OG.
Yes.
Oo.
It's a very bang for your buck.
Yes.
And don't sa tingin ko sa mga gustong mag-ipon diyan, masaya pag-ipunan tong pabango na to. It will not give you a pain in that you will have hard time na ano ba talaga the best? Supremacy Not Only Intense, Collector's Edition, Club de Precieux, Venti Absolu, and so on, mga pabango pa na mga dupe ng Aventus Absolu. For me, the best of all time sa tingin ko, for me, so far, eto.
As of now, no?
As of now, ito yung the best na mabibigay kong Aventus Absolu as of now. Top 1 ko siya, Aventus Absolu. I'm not a big fan of this scent. I love Club de Nuit, Intense, Limited Edition Parfum. We love that scent so
Yes.
much.
Yes.
But ito yung scent na talagang parang, parang, paano ginawa ng Maison Asrar na you just need to smell this one and you will see na parang, okay, gets ko na to. Then you will going to smell this one and see for yourself if it's really good or not. Okay? Please consider it on your wish list, or let's say on your add to cart. Give it a try. Is it a safe blind buy? Yes or no?
Nako, ang hirap na tanong niyan, Armin. Safe blind buy, I'm not sure. I don't think so. But again, if fan kayo ng SCE
Yeah.
and fan kayo ng then yes, buy this.
Same goes as well. Please do it. So, yun lang yung masasabi namin. Nagbigay na ba tayo ng ratings?
Meron na.
Meron na?
6-7.
Okay.
6-7 na naman.
Alright. Please let us know. Have you tried Maison Asrar Vanguard? Ano ang experience mo? Binili mo ba tapos nakita mo na parang nahihinaan ka, binenta mo agad? Which you did a bad decision? Or maybe you did a right decision? Maybe hindi siya pasok sa taste mo? We will respect that decision. Or you prefer the OG? Or you prefer other dupes nitong pabango na to? Pag-usapan natin yan sa comment section. Please let us know. Like, comment, share, and follow for more contents natin. Hopefully, nagustuhan nyo itong review namin about sa Vanguard Maison Asrar. Anong series to, sorry? Royal Collection. And, yeah. Till next time, Fragrance Family, huwag natin kalimutan na magpabango para sa sarili natin and keep spraying your perfumes and create memories out of it. Till next time, love you all.
Guys, bagay ba?
Pogi!